Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how we can combine two videos in one frame from CapCut. So first of all, we'll open the CapCut, then we'll click on create project. Yeah, then we need to import the videos. Just here is two videos. Let me open those and drag under the cover section. Then the both video are dragged. Then I need to select both video and click on the join path. Then we need to click on create compound clip. Yeah. So both these two videos are now combined in a single video. There is no joint. Yeah. Now we can just export this video easily as it's joined. Thank you.